This is KRT Newsline from Critical Race Theory. Here's what's happening. The very talented rapper known as Busta Rhymes celebrated a significant achievement at the BET Awards by sharing a relevant message with his fellow artist. The touched musician, whose real name is Trevor George Smith Jr., accepted the Lifetime Achievement honor this year and became emotional during his acceptance speech. Overwhelmed by the moment, he shed tears and expressed his genuine emotions. In addition to his personal reflections and heartfelt tribute to his children and the group leaders of the new school, Busta Rhymes addressed an important issue in the music industry. He expressed his love for fellow hip-hop artists and called for unity and support among them. Busta Rhymes emphasized the negative consequences of engaging in conflicts and urged his peers to let go of any petty beefs. You know, if we can stop the beefs in rap, I bet we could possibly stop the beefs in the streets. He also highlighted the detrimental impact such disputes have on the industry's reputation and financial success. Instead, he emphasized the need for artists to love and respect one another and work together to achieve success. Busta Rhymes concluded by stressing the significance of celebrating the 50th anniversary of hip-hop at the BET Awards and expressing his gratitude for receiving the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award. Scott Miles, the CEO of BET, praised Busta Rhymes' artistry, unique hip-hop sound, and captivating visuals that have captivated audiences for decades. You know, I've always been a big fan of Busta Rhymes. Congratulations and much more success. This has been KRT Newsline. Thanks for checking in. Like and subscribe. Leave a super thanks or buy me a coffee, and we'll see you next time.